Shatabhisha, the 24th Nakshatra, the constellation falling in the sign Aquarius, the water bearer, two pictures as per the Vedic philosophy. The Shatabhisha means 100 stars. This is a combination of 100 stars or 100 flowers in the zodiac and can be seen throwing cosmic waters, nectar on the earth to heal the people. When the churning of ocean was done, the nectar came out, and Ayurveda also came in the form of the Ayurveda Rishi or the doctor Dhanvantari. They can cure any disease. They are good humanitarians, passionate. The Shatabhisha ruled by Rahu, though taken nectar by deceit, with Lord Vishnu cut his head, envious towards sun and moon, close to father and mother, but doesn't agree to them. Inner potentials are immense. In the philosophy of activation of Kundalini, the power inside is a lotus on your head and denotes the Brahmarandra, the last chakra in the body. Gives immense intuitive powers, god of water, mystical, and brings out from the bottom of the sea anything they want. Wonderful energies inside. Can counter and encounter difficult karmas or deeds in life. Doesn't get depressed. Keeps on working till the last breath and accomplish the task wonderfully. Strong need for seclusion due to intuitive powers and a quality to heal the humanity. Very compassionate, loves people, but envious, they spoil their health. Because of their nature of goodness, they get carpet in life for their partners. They are victimized, they are used, and they never understand they are being used and ends up into depression. Never speak they have been victimized and knows being victimized but doesn't speak. Never go wrong. Their motivation is always the righteous activities. As the animal symbol is a female horse, loves people to ride on her and doesn't get activated even if they see the horse. People close their eyes and use them. The sounds emanated are go, sa, si, so. The directional strength is south. Qualities, they become tamasic so many times but remain sattvic. Persons born with Shatabhisha ascendant are deceitful, deceited, good human beings, service oriented, peace and tranquility. Born with the moon in Shatabhisha are charitable, humanitarian, good astrologers. Intuitive powers are strong, good givers in life, sometimes adamant and daring, and with their wish, eternal wish, they defeat the enemies by the grace of God. Natural. Sun in the Shatabhisha Nakshatra constellation, they need some exterior forces to push them in life. Their soul is pure, but they need guidance always. They are hardworking and creative genesis, but always needs protection. The career interests, they are very good private secretaries, clerks, service providing industries, housekeeping, hoteliers, astronomers, and astrology. They always have in the later life the problem of bones, rheumatic, born in the first part of Shatabhisha, well-built, presentable body, presentable people, loved by the opposite sex, attracts rather the opposite sex, knows the meaning what others meant, but doesn't speak. Born in the second part of this nakshatra, fair complexion, good looking, eyes beautiful, gets carpet for others, loves to serve others. Born in the third quarter of this nakshatra easily gets the maleficence of others. Their subconscious mind gets maligned when they speak harsh. They spoil their mind and soul too. Born in the fourth quarter of this nakshatra, they are like hunters, loved by the king, second in command of the boss, takes care of everybody, not clever but courageous.